Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Itel 2160, an old phone you can find in Nigeria, and I don't know if you can find it in another country, but I'm sure you can find it in Nigeria. Yeah, Nigeria. So the phone is in good condition now. I have to power it off. Okay, now it's off. I open the back. Oh, I think I snapped the network. Okay, put this fits in well. Good. So get the battery off, and this is the SIM card. I don't have the SIM card. Keep that aside, and then we use our Phillips head screw. Yeah, I'll use this screw to this screw here. Yes, guys, I'm done losing the phone, so I have to open it up now. I'll use this pry tool. It's a flexible iron tool. You guys can see this is a display, and this is the flex, and the connection is used with LED, connected with LED. So I'll remove this at the back here. Now this is the speaker, the LED, which is the flashlight, and the camera. So I take this up bit by bit. They're a bit fragile, so you can't cut or tear. So now I have the phone fully dismantled now. This is just the back. And this is the main motherboard where you can find all the components of the phone. So this is the charging port, the audio jack, battery connector, the mouthpiece, the SIM card tray or sitting or whatever. This is where you find the IC of the phone. These are the buttons of the phone. Then okay, that's all you have to see in this phone. It's quite an old phone, a very old phone. So yeah, I'm done with a complete teardown of the Itel 2160. Now the best you could do is like the video, share, and subscribe for more. Thank you, and see you in my next video.